Hey, it's Thomas DeLauer with PuraTHRIVE Nutrition, and today I want to talk about arthritis. I want to talk about the relationship between turmeric and arthritis, and I'm going to go into a little bit of scientific detail, but I'm going to do my best not to lose you in the process. So essentially, we want to look at turmeric as an anti-inflammatory, right? Well, when it comes to arthritis, we are dealing with inflammation at its very source. We're dealing with inflammation in the joints. So how exactly does turmeric make a big impact when it comes to arthritis? You see, it has to do with specific enzymes in our body. These enzymes are known as the cyclooxygenase enzymes and the lipooxygenase enzymes. Now, the name's not super important right now, but all we have to know is that, simply put, these enzymes trigger proteins that cause inflammation. This inflammation can occur in our joints, it can occur in our brain, it can occur all over the place. But for the sake of this video, we're talking specifically about it in the joints as it pertains to arthritis. Now, how does the relationship between turmeric and arthritis work? You see, it goes way back to 1980, the ancient times of 1980. So in 1980, there was the initial study that looked at turmeric and its effect on arthritis. And it was found right then and there that was sort of this correlation between those that took turmeric and those that actually started having reduced symptoms of arthritis, particularly rheumatoid arthritis. Now, when we look at a more recent study in 2012, when it starts to get really captivating. So what this study did is it took people that took non-steroidal anti-inflammatories, then it took people that took non-steroidal anti-inflammatories plus curcumin, which is the bioavailable form of turmeric, then it took a third group that only took curcumin, the active component of turmeric. Okay, so you ready for this? What this study found, those that took the curcumin only had a better outcome when it came to their overall level of pain and their overall level of inflammation in the joints. Literally, those that took turmeric curcumin had a better result than those that were taking non-steroidal anti-inflammatories. And that's a recent study, so pretty powerful stuff. Now, in addition to that finding, it was also found that levels of what are called C-reactive protein were dramatically reduced too. Now, I'll go into C-reactive protein in another video, but essentially what C-reactive protein is a precursor to inflammation. If you were to get a blood test done and you were to look at your C-reactive protein levels, it would be a strong indicator as to whether or not you have an inflammatory response within your body. So there you have it, the simple ways that turmeric is actually reducing inflammation within your body. Now, it's acting on that enzyme, so it's preventing inflammation before it ever starts in the first place, which is really, truly what we want. And when it comes down to PuraTHRIVE and it comes down to turmeric, the reason that I'm doing this video in the first place is it matters how you absorb your turmeric. So if you're absorbing your turmeric in a way that your body can actually utilize and you're actually getting the true effectiveness of it, then you can imagine the exponential effect when it comes down to your joints. As always, keep it locked in here on PuraTHRIVE Nutrition videos so that you can learn what you need to learn about truly reducing inflammation and getting the most out of your turmeric. I'll see you in the next video.